The future has arrived on your doorstep in the gleaming package of Samsung's freshly unveiled showstopper, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This glistening prophet of possibilities storms Silicon Valley, flaunting next-generation mobile advancements primed to set a new smartphone standard. Beyond bolstered hardware, true magic lies embedded within, as Samsung concocts an Android cocktail blending their refined interface with Google's newfound Gemini AI to awaken on-device intelligence in awe-inspiring ways. With this Dream Team alliance, it's checkmate Apple. The Galaxy S24 Ultra arms consumers with what the iPhone lacks: an ever-attentive AI assistant evolving every mobile experience through moments made smarter, simpler, and downright supernatural courtesy of machines embracing intuition. So what exactly is this Gemini sorcery poised to redefine the mobile landscape? Well, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will feature seamless real-time translation during phone calls in 13 languages. Whether you're chatting with family abroad or speaking to local merchants on your travels, say goodbye to language barriers. The S24 Ultra will provide instant two-way audio translations as you speak, while even displaying translations on screen should you need extra context. Beyond calls, the groundbreaking new Transcript Assist feature leverages the power of AI to automatically distinguish between speakers in a meeting or lecture. No more confusion keeping track of who said what. Even more remarkably, it then summarizes recordings down to only the essential takeaways. Imagine never manually taking notes again, and instead having this intelligent assistant precisely extract key details for you to reference later. Feeling stuck choosing the perfect words to impress your boss over text or express your creativity on social media? Magic Compose has you covered. Powered by Google's ultra-efficient Gemini Nano, this messaging assistant suggests lively responses in a range of tones and styles right within your keyboard. Effortlessly alternate between formal, chill, excited, or even Shakespearean language without a second thought. For photographers and creators, the revolutionary Pro Visual Engine takes creativity, editing abilities, and shareable content quality to extraordinary new heights. How? By suggesting automatic touch-ups, effects, and even generative image fill suggestions powered by AI enhancements built right into the S24 Ultra's Gallery app. Has unwanted glare ruined an otherwise perfect group shot? Not to worry, this intelligent editor has your back. What about filling awkward gaps in a photo, or erasing unwanted subjects while fluidly blending the background? It can do that too with jaw-dropping realism. Perhaps most remarkably, the futuristic new Circle to Search feature is set to forever change smartphone discovery and research by allowing you to visually search anything while staying immersed in the app you're using. No more disruptive context switching to quench your curiosity. Just long press and draw a circle around any item on the screen to uncover helpful details magically pulled from Google's vast repository of knowledge. Whether it's an enticing dish you spotted on social media or an eye-catching product in the background of a YouTube video, your personal assistant is there to serve up search results without making you lift a finger to open a browser. Beyond revolutionary AI advancements, the Galaxy S24 Ultra sports some major hardware upgrades to further cement its status as the pinnacle of premium smartphones. Encased in a polished titanium frame that oozes durability and style, the bezels have been slimmed to expansive 6.8-inch screens with fewer notch intrusions than ever before. And that screen? A dazzling feast for the eyes with a brighter, flatter Dynamic AMOLED 2X display stretched nearly edge to edge. 40% greater peak brightness adapts to any lighting conditions, while the slimmest bezels yet keep your focus where it belongs. All are housed within a beautifully refined aerodynamic body exuding luxury. But the redesign goes far beyond sculpted titanium trimmings and thinner bezels in the relentless pursuit of imaging excellence. The camera system has undergone a tremendous transformation, headlined by an all-new staggering 50-megapixel 5x optical zoom lens to complement the existing 12-megapixel ultra-wide and 10-megapixel telephoto sensors. Hardware sets the stage, but software takes center stage. This advanced 5x lens paired with an upgraded AI imaging signal processor takes Samsung's renowned space zoom capabilities into uncharted galaxies. Say goodbye to murky digitally enhanced zoom images. Proprietary AI techniques now extrapolate pristine quality right up to an astonishing 100x magnification, even in low light. With this unrivaled camera array combined with Google's imaging algorithms, we are glimpsing the beginnings of mobile photography transcending physical limitations. Determined not to be outdone, The selfie camera has leveled up as well, with brighter lenses capturing more detail than ever before in 12 megapixels of flawless photos and super smooth video. But with such great power comes great responsibility. Samsung and Google have delivered profoundly on the promise of privacy-first AI deployment, computing securely on-device with user consent. All generated media is explicitly labeled upon creation for transparency, while watermarks visibly indicate synthetic elements or enhancements. And ethical considerations extend beyond images themselves to the very materials these devices are constructed from. The Galaxy S24 series utilizes premium recycled materials from discarded fishing nets and recycled aluminum sourced via renewable hydroelectric power. Through integrity and innovation hand in hand, Samsung is furthering its commitment to circular economy principles in pursuit of net zero carbon emissions. This raging green titanium stunner is as gentle on the planet across its life cycle as it is a marvel of technology protected by next-generation Gorilla Glass Victus 3. With these monumental upgrades now unveiled, how does the Galaxy S24 Ultra fare upon first impressions out in the wild? Well, prepare to witness smartphones accelerate into the future before your eyes. Even in early testing, the S24 Ultra delivers a level of polished refinement beyond any previous Galaxy. The camera system now fires up and launches instantly with buttery smoothness, while navigating settings feels absolutely lag-free thanks to blazing fast new chipsets before even capturing a single photo. Samsung has erased the gap in the renowned iPhone camera experience through software optimization alone, resulting in responsive photography par excellence. But the best part lies with what you can now create using Samsung's mobile photo studio unlocked through AI. We glimpsed jaw-dropping object erasures and photo fills bridging gaps seamlessly. Has this delivered the photographic revolution promised? In a word, phenomenal. While subtle imperfections persist, capturing, editing, and sharing revitalized scenes in seconds screams sci-fi. Near-instant AI suggestions can convert causal phone photographers into visual sorcerers. Add the gorgeous 50MP 5x optical zoom lens and Samsung extends its lead as the champion of portraits under nearly any lighting. Nonetheless, two titans undeniably upped the ante. This partnership marks a seminal turning point for mobile technology, profoundly delivering on the promise of on-device AI improving continually. While ethical concerns persist, the Galaxy S24 Ultra makes one thing certain: smartphones are evolving before our eyes. Samsung steals the spotlight, forging into the future first with this game-changing Galaxy. Starting at $1199, the future of mobile creativity is available on February 17, 2024. With iOS 17 still months away, Samsung secures victory as undisputed king, flaunting an AI-powered creative studio that must be seen to believe.